Hello, dear learners and aspirants. I am Priyanshu and welcoming you to Early Bird IAS. Now we are here to learn history with mind map. So let's get start the class. Okay. So first mind map is the mind map of Stone Age. Stone Age. Okay. So first part of Stone Age is called Paleolithic Age. The second part is called Neolithic Age, and third one is called second one is called Mesolithic, and third one is called Neolithic Age. So we have three parts of Stone Age. First one is Paleolithic Age, second one is Mesolithic Age, and third one is Neolithic Age. So let's discuss about the first one, like it's called Paleolithic Age. Paleolithic Age, we just have further divided with three parts. First is Lower and Early Paleolithic Age, second one is Middle Paleolithic Age, and third one is Upper Paleolithic Age. Okay, so next we have some sites of Lower and Early Paleolithic Age. First one is Sohan and Son Valley of Punjab, Belen Valley from Uttar Pradesh. We have got the first evidence of cave and rock shelters of humans. Okay, then Dadwana, Rajasthan, Nevesa, Maharashtra, Hunan Sagi or Hungasi from Karnataka, Pahalgam, Kashmir, Patni, Maharashtra. From Patni, we got the first time ostrich egg, the evidence of ostrich in the form of egg. So these are the all sites of Lower and Early Paleolithic Age. The next one is Middle Paleolithic Age. In Middle Paleolithic Age, human started hunting with flake technology, and they were also gatherer. They were also food gatherer. They just use tools like this, and like this in Middle Paleolithic Age. Okay. The last one is the Upper Paleolithic Age. This is the last phase. This is the last phase of Palestine. This is last phase of Pleistocene. This is the last phase of Pleistocene, where we have got the evidence of appearance of Homo sapien. They just started to live here, and we got evidence of flint stone tools. Flint stone tools were used by the peoples of Upper Paleolithic Age, and we have some sites of Upper Paleolithic Age. First one is Amangam, Maharashtra, Nevada, Maharashtra, Dadwana, Rajasthan, Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh. So this is the first mind map of your Stone Age. And Stone Age we have discussed about the Paleolithic Age. Okay. So thank you for all, and do subscribe our channel for more interesting mind maps and many more. Thank you.